Imagine transforming your home into a sanctuary like the caves our ancestors once sought shelter in. What if you bring the natural beauty of caves into your spaces to create a retreat? My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. In today's episode, we explore the designs of two hair salons that were both inspired by cave designs. Yet each has their own unique approach featuring wall treatments that create two distinctly curated atmospheres. By embracing the natural beauty of stones, luxurious elegance is balanced with cozy charm. Enhancing various commercial projects from hotels to restaurants and to homes. After years of working as an influencer, STEPHY YIWEN and her business partners decided to transform the ordinary salon experience into two very unique experiences.
Homme 的话，主要是more注重在男生的发型设计上面，因为相信大多数的理发店都是 more focus 在女生的，所以我们这边的话就是主打男士发型设计。Homme 的意思呢，它其实是法文男人的意思。它也可以念 Homme， 然后其实蛮多人念 homie 啦，就是很像 brother 这样子的意思啦。
Her 呢是他嘛，所以 Maison 它是家的意思，所以就是他的家的意思，就是想让顾客进来我们的店的时候呢，就有 feel 到家的感觉，所以就叫 Her Maison。
I'm Jackson, co-founder of UNICRAFT. UNICRAFT design and decorate mostly tailor-made wall decoration, ranging from stones and 3D texture. The name of UNICRAFT actually came from uniquely crafted. What we get in the market nowadays, there are a lot of reputation from mass production, factory made. So the idea is to take out that and put in local handcraftsmanship to make sure that every piece of our wall design is uniquely tailor-made.
With UNICRAFT's handcrafted technique, Jackson created a rugged, masculine space for Homme. The organic forms of a glimmering wall ornament and a stretching black sofa greet your arrival. Light catches on a reception carved on dark shiny stones, highlighting its cave-like texture.
We wanted to create something unique, something not often seen. So that's why if you look at the whole surrounding, it is blend with dark grayish and mountainous cave look design. And we want to create a cool space, but at the same time look masculine. To give some contrast onto this masculine kind of feeling, we actually put an art piece at the entrance area, so that we are inspired by the fluttering of the ladies' hair flying around.
Going deeper into Homme is like venturing into a mysterious cool cave. Dark cave-like walls cocoon the space, adding character. A dark interior creates a bold, sophisticated visual, further heightened by the furniture's sleek metallic lines. In contrast to the soft curves of Her Maison, this space gives a unique cavernous feeling.
So 一开始我会选择这个设计的风格，是因为我们就主打说要做一个黑白灰系列的 hair salon， 然后 UNICRAFT 就会跟我们一起合作，然后打造了这个环境啦。
We actually smash the real crystal, become really tiny particles, and then we actually embed it onto the stone wall so it looks shimmering and it looks crystallized. This is what we actually did here.
A membrane-like, mimicking natural daylight highlights the cave-like walls. Floating metallic shelves reflect more light into the space. Together with lighting and mirrors, they curate a futuristic vibe. A hidden door ensures a seamless cave-like atmosphere across the entire space.
所以看到这个设计的时候，一开始我是蛮担心的，就是我怕做出来的感觉不懂是怎样的感觉。所以后面我看到成品的时候，其实是蛮 wow 的，就是 就哦，原来理发店还可以这样子以这种风格去装修。
Can you imagine using similar materials, techniques, and even inspiration, but creating a contrasting design outcome? If Homme embodies cool masculinity, then Her Maison is the complete opposite. In creamy beige tones, an inviting entrance greet us at Her Maison. The gently curving interior imbues the form of a cave, creating a sanctuary.
因为我们团队都是全男班啊，所以我自己一个女生的话，我会跟着女生的要求，就是我自己想要踏进一个什么样的理发店，我就把它创造出来。所以 every 细节都是我觉得我身为一个 customer 想要体验到的东西，就把它植入进我们的店这样子。
The curved walls were designed to insulate the sound from the outside, to create a soothing customer experience. Inside, a creamy white aesthetic radiates serenity. Instead of the usual designs of a row of chairs, the design of a small booths angled away from each other gives customer subtle privacy. Circle lights overhead emphasize the visual theme of feminine softness.
For this project, we actually incorporate carpentry first. Then subsequently, we will do our foundation to make the existing surface solid before we actually do our wall decoration on it. The brand that we brought in from Italy, it's Nicolo Italia. We actually utilize that as one of our main materials for wall decoration. And on top of everything, it is really flexible for us to come up with varieties of design, especially handcrafted design. This product is eco-friendly, zero VOC, and it is really easy to maintain. I think Malaysian and especially Asia, we deserve a really quality, eco-friendly product to actually decorate our wall.
Homme embraces the dark, mysterious persona of the cave, while Her Maison softens the rough cave textures. This is how cave aesthetics, with the right treatment, can elevate a space and captivate the imagination. Tell us which design you prefer in the comments section below. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to help us grow our channel. Don't miss out on our upcoming interior design and architecture stories. My name is Alex Lee, and I am from Design Seed. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.